Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a MacBook not loading websites. All right, let's begin. First, open Safari on your MacBook. Click on Safari in the top menu bar and then select Settings. After that, open the Extensions tab and disable all installed extensions. Next, go to the Privacy tab and click on Manage Website Data. Press the Remove All button and confirm by selecting Remove Now. Now, click on the Advanced tab and make sure the option called Block All Cookies is turned off. Once that's done, try reopening Safari and check if websites are loading properly. If you're using Google Chrome instead, click on the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then select Delete Browsing Data. Choose All Time and clear the browsing data. After that, open the Extensions section and disable all Chrome extensions. If websites are still not loading, open System Settings. Go to Wi-Fi, click Details next to your network, and open the DNS section. Add 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 as DNS servers, then save the changes. So that's basically how you can fix a MacBook not loading websites. That's it for this video. Thanks.